GlobalMedic's Rapid Response Team is on the ground here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. A few days ago, Hurricane Melissa ripped through the country, making it the worst storm the country has ever seen. There's been widespread damage, including flash flooding, as well as communication has all been cut. We're here with our partners helping to set up a feeding center. We're going to set up a water purification unit, which will help feed thousands of people every day. We're also going to be handing out some of our family emergency kits, which landed a few days ago. These kits contain a water purification unit, a solar light, as well as some hygiene items. This will allow families to purify water for up to 1 year, allow them to keep clean and healthy, and also get a sense of security with the solar light. And thanks to your support, we're going to keep getting the right aid to the right people at the right time.